Hi everybody, it's Maureen from Mimiland. I hope you're doing well. Nice to be with you again. I hope you've been trying out some of my treatments, the rose quartz. I'm getting loads and loads of messages about that, so that's nice to know that people are interested. Great stuff. But for today, I'm going to actually do a treatment for you that I provide for clients, and it's radio frequency, non-surgical tightening treatment. Great treatment. I've been doing it for a long time. I do use it myself from time to time, especially for areas that I'm concerned about, like loose, sagging skin, which round here could be a little bit of a worry for a lot of ladies. So if you want to tighten your skin and rejuvenate your skin, make it look fresher, brighter, and maintain it, radio frequency is a great treatment. So obviously today I can't do the whole treatment, or it would take too long for the time we've got, but I am going to do some treatment, part of the treatment for you. So I've cleansed my face, practice what I preach. So I'm ready to put the gel on, which is fine. And I'm going to just concentrate on this area for you. So, putting the gel on, just skite my hair out the way, just round that area. That I worry about. Okay. Just going out of shot for a moment. And I'm just putting the machine onto the level I need. So here we go. Just a probe. Painless, really pleasant, nice. I can feel the heat starting to radiate. Great, obviously when you're lying down you're in a much better position to lift. Notice I'm coming from underneath as well, because you want it to lift, and gravity's a bit of a devil. So just continuing, I could feel the gel penetrating. Gives a lovely glow. Great treatment. And with my treatment, I offer a full luxury facial as well, which I think is great. Nice and relaxing. Some people get a result the first time, depending on what you're starting with. Other people need a course of 3 and 4, or 3 or 4. But that's all right. You've got to invest. There's no magic bullet for this, ladies, and we know it. Unless you're okay and up for surgery, that is an absolute option. But a lot of downtime for that if you go for the surgery. So there we are. Now I feel it tightening after the treatment, when you've had the full-blown treatment. This treatment continues working for 72 hours and tightens and tightens and lifts, which is what we want. So it's waking up the muscles and saying, you need to do your job and lift this area. So again, going underneath, there's still gel left, which is fine. I'm just going to get my mirror, have a look. Okay, Slightly red, but that's all right. And it probably would be redder after a full treatment. And of course, depending on the level we have the machine at. So I'm just trying to get it to a stage, ladies, where I'm feeling the tightening. Very good. Trying to face you so that I'm not ignoring you, so to speak. So this feels as if it's tightening up lovely. Really nice. And as I say, not much downtime at all. Some ladies have none, other people have a little bit of redness, depending on their skin type. But that's okay. As ever, you know that I'm always fair with my prices. I like to make it accessible for as many people as possible, and not just one visit to Mimiland with a lovely voucher, then unable to go back because it's too expensive. So I'm feeling the tightness really beginning to happen now. And that's been about 4 minutes. So obviously you would get much longer than that, depending on the skin type, your skin condition, and what I felt you required. So I'm going to stop there. Switch off, excuse me a moment. Switch off the machine. And just clean off my face. So immediately I'm feeling tingling and tightening. I could feel it lifting. Yeah, obviously we could work on the neck area as well. So I feel it tightening. I'm pleased with the chin area. I have a little bit of a problem with dimpling. That we have a big muscle here and we've really got to look after it. And I've got a little bit of a problem, so I try to stave off the ravages of time by doing little things like the rose quartz, like this treatment. Just treatments that could keep our skin maintained and in good condition. Now, for these purposes only, I'm just going to put on a little bit of makeup. You'd obviously be best not to immediately after, but I'm making the decision for this purpose, and I've tried it before and it's fine for me. But at home, you would follow the instructions I give you. So just a little bit of makeup to teeniest bit to cover the redness. Just move that away so I don't knock it down. And then I'm going to do some lip liner just to I feel my lip here tingling, so that's good. And remember, always put your lipstick on from the outside, not at the cupid's bow. Move a bit if you feel it's a bit too much. A little bit of lipstick. Like that. In fact, I'm going to use a teeny bit of blusher, just a little bit, not much. Teeny little bit of blusher. Just tap it on. Tap, tap, tap. Just a little bit, like that. Now, I'm quite pleased with that. I can feel the tightening. That's not too bad at all. I'm pleased with that. So that's radio frequency treatment from Mimi Land. It's on my leaflet. Really reasonably cost, £30 for the whole treatment plus a luxury facial. I think that's pretty good. But there'll be lots of different treatments coming once we get back to normal, and lots of lovely offers for all my clients. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope to see you soon. Do take care, and a nod to the wonderful NHS. Thank you. Bye-bye.